web wizards and keyboard ninjas. Welcome back to CodeWithPk, where bugs fear to treat and code always look cooler with just the right class. Today, we are diving into the magic of HTML, the one that takes your boring plain websites and turns them into whoa, there's a professional do this? But seriously, why is it called class? Because it teaches your HTML how to behave like a total lister. By the end of this topic, you will be so good at using class attributes that even your divs will be asking for autographs. Let's jump in. Your website's glow up starts now. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's create our project, and like you know, we are building our new project and only in HTML. So if you want to build this project, so you have first of all download it up on your text editor, and if you do not have downloaded it, so let me tell you how to download it. And now first of all, you access my place and see my all the videos and bookmark it also. Now first of all, come to the Google, search here your search here my Visual Studio Code name, Visual Studio Code text download, and it is available on the three favorite platforms: Mac, Linux, and Windows. Okay, so so if you are using the Mac, you download on Mac. If you are using the Linux, you download on Linux. If you are using the Windows, you download on Windows. I know the many people are only in Windows, so I am on Windows and I have already downloaded it. Okay, and now click on the file and new file. And if you want to build the project in HTML, so you do not download any necessary extensions of all the things. Okay, so I am making one file by the name of index.html in the documents. Okay, and then it is saying me index.html file is already made it. Do you want to replace it? I am saying yes. Now I first of all write here doc type declaration in which I write HTML. This is the starting code for HTML, like you all know if you are learning HTML from start. Now meta, then I am defining viewport. This is the starting code for HTML, like all the people must be know that. Okay, now I define a starting code over HTML. If you want to write this, so write. If you do not want to write this, so do not write. Okay, it is a choice. Now here I define a CSS code in the style section, like we define a body in which I write font, and I am defining a font should be poppin, any font you give it. Okay, which you have satisfied from it. Now I define dot site div in which I define a height. I give the height should be 100%, width I am giving to the 0, position I am giving to the fix, and then z index should be 1. And when I do this, so I am giving to the top should be 0, left should be 0, background color I am giving hashtag 111, overflow x hidden I am giving, and I am adding some transition in little bit, but when we click it, so it will be open very smoothly. Padding top I am giving him to the 60%, 60 pixels means. Dot side nav A, padding of it I am giving 8 pixels, 8 pixels, 8 pixels should be 32 pixels. Now text decoration means the underline and all the things will be gone from it using text decoration, none. Now I am adding a font size, mean text size I am giving to the 25 pixels, and then I am adding a color to my text by the 818181, and then I am adding a display block, and transition I am adding 0.3 seconds. Now let me add a hover on it, side nav hover, and I am giving the F1 means I am giving the one hover to the text color. Okay, now side nav dot close btn, and you are thinking why I am not defining the HTML code. I will be defining, just wait and see. Now position absolute top 0 I am giving, and right 25 pixels on it. Now text size I am giving to the font text size 36 pixels, and margin left I am giving him to the 50 pixels. Now I am hashtag main, transition of it I am adding margin left 0.5 seconds, and then I am adding a padding to it like 16 pixels. Now when I do this, so now I define a media query, means we convert it in the responsive. Now here I define a max height should be 450 pixels, and in it I am writing dot side nav. Padding top should be 15 pixels, dot side, and then text size should be 18 pixels. Now I am defining a body element in which we write our all the HTML codes. Okay, class side nav, and then we define a href javascript void should be 0. And in this video we also define a little bit javascript code also. Okay, and now here we define a class, and then I'm defining the close btn. And then when I do this, so you only want to do it. So now why it is coming like this, let me see. Okay, let me write this code one more time. A href. Okay, I understand why like this it is coming. Now it is not coming. Now close btn, and then I am writing on click, in which I am writing close nav, and then when I do this, so only want to do it here, I am writing like and times and like this. Now a href hashtag I am writing about a href hashtag services. Anything you write here, I am writing about services, and then I am writing here about services, then clients, and then I am writing here contact. Now here I define one more time div, and the id should be main. Now h2 I write my project summary, site nav example, paragraph. Click on the element below to open the site navigation menu and post this content to the right. Now when I do this, only want to do it, I write span, style, font size 30 pixels, and cursor should be pointer. And then I am defining here on click, in which I am writing here open nav, and then I am writing here and hashtag 9776, and then I am writing here open. Perfect. Now script function open nav, and then when I do this, so I am writing a document dot get element by id my site nav. Then I am writing here dot style dot width 250 pixels, document dot get element by id one more time, and I am writing here main, in which I define dot style dot margin left equals to 250 pixels. And then when I define this all the things, so I only want to do it right here, function close nav, and then document dot get element by id my site nav, and then dot style dot width, and now 0. Document dot get element by id main dot style dot margin left, and then I am writing here 0. Perfect. Now when I save it and when I open my document, when I open my index.html file, so our project has been looking like this, and when we click on the open, so it is coming like this. So here you can see it. We successfully completed our click on the element here, we completed the successfully we completed this our project. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. Okay, so if you enjoyed, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification while also subscribe to these type of videos on our Code with PK's channel. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. And now there's some mistake I am saying, so dot, now save it, run it. Now it is working properly. Here you can see it, where here we create a one side nav push. Okay, here you can see it. Now here is coming about services cross, and it is. So if you enjoyed this video, so like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. Now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on to the big screen means that let's move on to the big screen and let's give the outro of this very beautiful video, very awesome video. So let's move to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And there you have it, folks. The class attribute, your website's personal stylist, whether you are making your divs dance or your buttons pop. Class is the key to fabulous website makeover. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up because even class likes a little validation, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks and a sprinkle of humor to keep your code alive and kicking. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and remember, with the great classes come great styling power. See you in the next one. So for today,